P4. The development of the model of the atom. The proposed structure of an atom has changed over time due to advancements in scientific research. Research undergoes peer review, which means that researchers in a similar field will assess the quality of submitted findings. If the work is accepted, it may go on to develop or change our understanding of a topic in science. An example of this are the changes made to our understanding of the structure of the atom. Initially, J. Dalton suggested atoms to be tiny spheres of which all matter is composed. Next, the electron was discovered by J. J. Thomson, which made way for the plum pudding model of an atom. This model presented a distribution of electrons placed within a sphere of positive charge, similar to the placement of raisins in plum pudding. The alpha scattering experiment, led by E. Rutherford in the 20th century, measured how a beam of positively charged alpha particles would behave as they interacted with a thin sheet of gold foil. The vast majority of alpha particles passed straight through the foil unaffected, or with minimal deflection. However, a small percentage were deflected at a greater angle than expected, or directly back towards the emitter. This contradicts the plum pudding model of the atom, as there would need to be a notable positive charge to repel a positively charged alpha particle. This led to the suggestion that a tiny concentration of positive charge, called a nucleus, is at the centre of each atom. This fits the behaviour of the majority of alpha particles passing through the empty space unaffected, with a small chance of colliding with and being deflected by the nucleus. This new description of an atom was called the nuclear model. Later in the 20th century, N. Bohr provided calculations that proposed electrons orbit the nucleus at different energy levels, or distances from the nucleus. His calculations were supported by experimental research. Further developments found that the nucleus contained positively charged protons, and finally J. Chadwick provided evidence of the existence of neutrons in the nucleus.